I'm just kind of stuck right now. I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize for the little background noise because my puppy Lila is playing with her toys. Well, it's actually not even a toy, it's a water bottle. And it's her favorite thing in the world. She just loves to crush them up. And she's entertained for like 20 minutes, so I was trying to keep her entertained while filming this video, but it's also pretty loud, so. But today I'm going to be doing a closet clean out and just kind of organizing things, deciding what I need to get rid of and that kind of thing. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I have all these clothes in the corner of my room because I don't want to junk up the closet. So like for the most part, my room's pretty clean. Just that thing in the corner. And then of course Lila's toys. And then in the closet, so I just put this table in here. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it. It just didn't fit anywhere else in the apartment. So I kind of wanted to do like a makeup area here, but the lighting's really bad. And I don't have like a big mirror I can put there to use anyway, so it's just kind of here. So this is Justice's side, and it's pretty clean for the most part. This is like my extra clothes over here because I was trying to divide it up so I could put a mirror there or something, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to do that after all. And then this is my side, and so I have a couple of things up there that I need to like organize because it looks kind of ugly right now and I don't have enough room for all my shoes. And then I have this pile of stuff which I haven't gone through, and I have some new clothes that I haven't worn yet, like just got these, haven't worn them. And then I know I have a lot of new stuff in this bag, and then just stuff that I haven't been able to return. And then this is like workout clothes and stuff because I don't have a big enough dresser since I share with Justice. This is like my overflow clothes and stuff. So yeah, I really need to figure out a better system on how to just organize my clothes because I don't have room for another dresser, and I feel like I just probably need to get rid of a bunch of stuff. So that's what I'm gonna try and do today. And then she runs over here and gets into every little thing that I'm doing. It's so cute though. Poor baby, she's teething right now too. I don't want you teething on my clothes. Lila. Hey, Lila. I don't want you teething on my clothes, okay? Actually, she does love the camera. She has her own Instagram, so follow her at Lila_the_Labsky. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start with the laundry because this is dirty laundry, so I'm just gonna get that started and washed, and then I'll start to tackle the closet. I just put my clothes in the washer, so while those are being washed, I'm gonna start on the room. Actually, I'm not gonna do the closet first, I'm gonna do the room first and go through all these clothes in the corner over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna start on that first so at least the room can be clean and I won't have to see any mess around. If the closet doesn't get completely done today, then that's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna start on that right now. My t-shirt drawer and my shorts drawer, and I may or may not get rid of some t-shirts, which I probably should because this is really full. and I only have like one side of the dresser and Justice has the other side of the dresser. So I should probably get rid of some of these shirts that I don't wear anymore because they're like at the bottom of my dresser. And then shorts, I have a ton of shorts too. Well, actually these are shorts and jeans. So I'm thinking I might move my jeans to my closet and hang those up so I have more room in here. I just finished going through my t-shirt drawer, and so these are all my short sleeve t-shirts, and I have quite a lot. I'm probably going to cut some of these into tank tops so I can wear them to the gym more and make them like cute and stuff. So definitely going to do that. And then I also have a ton of long sleeve t-shirts, like so many. I didn't realize I had this many. So I think I'm going to get rid of some of these that I never wear. Like this one is like huge and it's not that cute. So I'm going to get rid of this for sure. And then a couple other of these. Okay, so now all of my jeans and shorts are sorted, and I'm gonna just hang the jeans up. So I have this full drawer for just my shorts. So actually, before I put these jeans up, Lila, stop! She's moving my stand. Stop that. Go away. Before I put these up, I'm gonna try them on to make sure they all fit because I feel like some of them probably don't. So now I finally moved on to the actual closet, and I'm gonna start by going through my workout clothes. So I just need to move all of this out of the way, and we'll get into this later. Most of this is like swimsuits and hair ties and just miscellaneous stuff that I need to put away. So I'm gonna divide these up into keep and giveaway and then go from there. Honestly want to get rid of this thing out of my closet because it's kind of ugly, but I need somewhere to put the rest of my clothes. So I've gone through everything, and this is all my keep. I think I have like a lot of pajamas in here, like, and then just everything else is pretty much workout clothes. I have some sweats in here, and then this is my giveaway pile. It's only a couple of things. I really wanted to get rid of more, but I don't have that many workout clothes. I mean, I feel like I just keep wearing the same workout clothes over and over because all of these are like way at the bottom and I never see them anymore. So that's why I want to be more organized. And then this stuff, like, I should have gotten rid of these a long time ago. Does anyone remember when like colorful shorts were like super popular? Like, I had these. I already got rid of a couple of them, but I mean, I will never wear these probably ever again. This shirt, meh. It's a workout tank. I don't know, I just not feeling it. I like more plain stuff. And then these colorful Nike shorts. I'm not sure about this shirt. It's a tank. I'll probably keep this one. I need more tanks. So like I said, I'm gonna cut some of my t-shirts and make them into tanks. And now I'm like, it's the end of summer, so I should have done that to begin with. So now I'm just separating all my pajama pants and my pajama shirts, which are like the oversized shirts that I wear, and I'm just putting those to the side. And I'm gonna take the sweatpants out and try and find a place for those, just so this is purely workout clothes. And I'm not gonna really worry about like organizing it in any kind of way because I just like pull them out anyway and put them on. So I'm just gonna throw them all in there. I'm not really worried about them being like folded nicely because that's just not realistic for me. So yeah, I'm just putting all my shorts, tanks, workout tees, and sports bras in here. that was actually like half the pile. Half the pile was actually my pajamas and sleep tees and sweats and stuff. So now this is organized. I mean, it's not organized, but it's sorted. And I can access everything and I can look through all of this pretty easy if I'm looking for anything. So I'll be able to wear and rotate my clothes better. So thumbs up for that. So now that my workout clothes are all sorted, I'm gonna take this out of my closet and then start on this other stuff back here. So let's see, this, I just got this recently and I haven't put it up yet because I don't know. But it's this jumpsuit and I love it. So I'm just gonna hang this up. Now I can get rid of this bag. Oh my gosh. So this is one of my returns that couldn't be returned, so I don't know what to do with this right now. Have all these hair accessories right here. So I'm gonna try and hang these up on my wall, like on the back behind my clothes. I'm just kind of stuck right now. I don't know. I used to just keep all my swimsuits in this bag right here, this beach bag, but now I have way too many that they don't fit in here. So I guess I'm just gonna try and put them all in again. My sister left her shorts here. Score! Just kidding. I'll send them back to you, Savannah, eventually. So these are all my hair scarves, and I think I have a spot for them somewhere around here. So I'm gonna hang these up on my wall. Okay guys, so I just finished the closet finally. It took about like 2.5 hours, and that's like including the drawers, including the laundry and all that stuff. So everything is done now, and I actually found a couple things that I was going to give away because I have gone through my stuff recently and taken stuff out for Goodwill. So most of that was already done, but I did get rid of a couple more things, so I have even more space. So without further ado, let's check out my new closet. Ta-da! So I set up this little vanity area right here, and this mirror is just what we had and we weren't using it, so I just set it up here. I want to put some lights here, so this is not completely done, and I'm gonna get a jewelry holder on Amazon for this, and I already have one picked out. So that, like I said with this table, we were trying to sell this, so this is kind of just temporary. And then I'm using this as my chair instead of my pink chair that I had before, just to save more space. So this is all open. So here's my swimsuits in that corner, all my bags lined up, and then all my shoes on the top. I pretty much have room for all of them. I got rid of a couple pairs, so they all fit except for those right there, but those are hiding by these shorts. So pretty much everything is color coded and by seasons. So yeah, I'm like really happy with this result. Everything looks great, and I did his side too, so it's all organized and stuff. There we go. So yeah, I'm loving it. I just need to put like some pictures up there or something to make it like cute, but I love it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm glad I got to do this, and now I'm ready for school to start. I'm all organized, even though I really will just be wearing like a t-shirt and sweats most of the time, but now all my clothes are like organized and I just feel like super clean and ready to start the new school year. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up as always, and comment what kind of videos you guys want to see next. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, because I do post a lot of polls on there and I use that for my channel here, so make sure you follow me. Also, this is random, but comment if you guys watch Siesta Key, because I'm about to watch it, because I think it comes on at 9. I'm not sure. I always watch it on demand. I never watch it live because actually I don't even think you can skip it through commercials. But yeah, I'm really into it. I've been watching it since, well, I started season 2 and then I went back and watched season 1, so it's pretty good. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. It's on MTV. Yes, MTV. That and Floribama Shore, like, so juicy. Love those shows. You guys know that I love drama. Not being in drama, but watching drama. So if you guys like those kind of shows, make sure you check those out on MTV. And yeah, I'm really excited to watch it tonight. Like, every episode just never lacks drama. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.